Grab a rod, let's go fishing. You're watching the Real Deal, baby, Real Deal Fishing Show. You're watching the Real Deal, baby, Real Deal Fishing Show. We'll sit back in that chair, 'cause fishing we're gonna go. We're gonna be out on a lake, some pond or reservoir. We're gonna be deep in the river, keeping it real is so hard. We'll sit back in that chair, 'cause we're gonna take you along. Well, we might catch some bass, we might catch a pike, we might catch a muskie. We'll fish all night. You're watching the Real Deal, baby, Real Deal Fishing Show. Well, come on along, 'cause fishing we're gonna go. Oh, come on.
Oh, yeah. You know what time it is? Well, we're here for the Real Deal Fishing Show. And what time is it, Bill? Tell them at home.
It's bass time.
Topwater bass
That's
time.
right.
Got our surface plugs all set up to go. We're here at Bill's little honey hole.
That's right. Lindy Lake in West Milford. I'm going to start off, hopefully, throwing some top water. There's a little drizzle coming down. It's overcast. So we're going to key on that right now.
Let's get out on the water and get some bass on camera.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
Keep it real.
Oh, yeah. Decent size largie. Threw my finicky tickler finesse bait right to the dock there, and this guy bit it right on the drop. They are aggressive in this lake. This guy's strong for a little fella like him. He's packing a punch with that. Jumping and kicking. Bill, you should turn your lake into a theme park called like Bassland or something, because this is fantastic. Having a great time. So definitely, when times get tough, finesse baits really work good. I'm fishing a small worm on a 1/8 ounce hook, and you're catching them. Let's let this guy go. Another finicky tickler bass. I'm really loving the Power Team lures today. Plastics are working. Catching largies, one after another here on Bill's Lake. I love Lindy Lake. Let's let this guy go. Look at this one. Nice, another solid 1.5-pound bass. When you put him in the water, rock him. When he's ready, he'll take off like that. They are under that dock. Thanks. They are under that dock. This must be the third one that I pulled out right from under there. If you got plastic baits, that's a key location to throw them to. Pitch them right under, don't be afraid. Get hung up, sometimes it's worth it. This is the third bass from that dock. Now go back down there and tell Mama to bite.
Big, but he's a bass. He's throwing a swim bait now. Kind of backed off the shoreline. First drop off I'm fishing. Small, but it's a bass. Here we go.
I am loving this lake. And my finicky tickler. Look at this. It's pulling the boat. Pulling the boat. Look at that rod bend. This is why I love bass fishing. Come on, baby. Booyah! Look at that. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. We think that Finesse bite's going to start turning over to top water soon. We're hoping. And that finicky tickler did it for me today. The June bug color. Look at this. I'm in heaven. You know that? You're watching the Real Deal Fishing Show, baby, and we're keeping it real. Ah, finicky tickler bass. Oh yeah. What's that in your mouth? That's the finicky tickler. Oh yeah.
Surprise, surprise. All right. Mr. Whiskers here. Hook out. Little bullhead. Fat little sucker. On a swim bait. That's the first catfish on swim bait I had. Let him go. Off he goes.
Bigger. That's what I like. Woo! That bassin' right there, baby. Yeah.
Alright. Oh, this is a nice one. Okay, buddy. Open wide, and we got her. Got this on a swim bait. I'm here in 8 feet of water. There's a little grass bed that I'm working over. Just jigging the swim bait, actually. Jigging the swim bait over the grass beds, and if I could ever get him in the hook. And she hit like a freight train. She wouldn't give up. That's a better fish. Real healthy too. This spring water, spring-fed water. Let's let her go, and she's off.
Nice size largemouth. Having a great day here on the Real Deal Fishing Show. Tell all the folks at home, what's your favorite show?
If you want to be on the Real Deal, drop us a line. Bassman82@gmail.com. And you don't have to be a pro. It's real fishing, real deal, real fishing for everybody. So drop us a line and keep it real.
Well, we might catch some bass, we might catch a pike, we might catch a muskie. We'll fish all night. You're watching the Real Deal, baby, Real Deal Fishing Show. Well, come on along, 'cause fishing where gonna go. Oh, come on, play that thing.